Me and Pops are on our way to Porcupine Lake. It is a sick view up there. Pops hasn't been before. I've been a couple times, but I think he's gonna dig it. Get there, hang out, put the drone up, see if we can't get to the other side, ride some rocks. You know, just an after work type deal. But it's, I mean, people would kill for this type of ride. It's a lot of road at the beginning, so I'm not gonna film a ton of it, but I'll film when we get to the creek crossing. Oh, we made it to the bottom of the mountain. Still on some roads, but we're getting there. Oh yeah, we'll definitely make it across. All right, we just arrived. That was the turnoff right there. We're gonna see how bad the creek is. We should be able to cross though, I'm thinking. Shall be interesting. Oh yeah, this is prime. It's not flowing very hard. It's just a little deep. I mean, it's not too super deep. Just don't fall, I guess.
Yeah, it wouldn't be ideal.
No. We might be able to go further up there, but it's up to you. You can do this too. But you probably walk it.
Yeah, I'll just try to get my feet on the rocks that are exposed.
Make sure your GoPro's on too.
Oh, God.
Okay, the rocks are slick. I don't even care about wet boots at this point. Holy smokes. This is not... No!
Let's start right out. Hey, what happened?
Right in it.
Hi?
The rocks are slimy.
Yeah, they are. Did you drop the bike?
Oh yeah. I kept her going though. Yeah, I can't believe how slimy they are still.
Should be interesting. Is your phone good?
Oh yeah. Well, I just tipped over. As soon as I put my foot on one of these slimy ones. Like an idiot.
It gets really interesting up there.
The Guardians are getting no traction. Look at this. Yeah. warm out. Otherwise, this would suck.
Well, we made it. I don't remember it taking us that freaking long, so that was nuts. Taking this long to get up here. It was quite the road.
Yeah, it is a journey.
Oh yeah. You look like Alice Cooper right now. This eye's got a bunch of black.
Must be something on my glove.
Oh yeah. That's pretty. Well, we are leaving. We are out of here. We kind of came a little late. We were only here for probably like 20, 25 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. But it's all about the ride, man. Jesus! Oh my God, this used to be a road.